Story time. I got my hands on this derma roller. This is a story time. I can share all my stories. In 2015, 2016, I found that derma rolling, micro needling your scalp actually works. But I was a very little teenager. I cannot risk anything and get scolded by my mom. You're literally poking your scalp with needles. So the thing is, I've been balding since the age of 16. I have been stressing all my teenage. I have not had a good life yet. So I'm just struggling and trying my best to have the best life that I can. Not that I'm complaining, but I've been balding since the age of 16 because of the level of stress that I've had to deal with all my life. The nutrient deficiencies also cause balding and thinning of your hair. But now that I'm 21, I actually bought a derma roller and started micro needling my scalp in the month of October, November 2024. I derma rolled my scalp for literally 2 months every 4 days. I wash my hair every 4 days. Mostly Mondays and Fridays. So I started derma rolling the night of each day that I washed my hair. After derma rolling, I would always apply any hair growth serum that I prefer from Body Wise, Wishcare and 2-3 other brands that I use. And it's very effective. Care and Body Wise being my favorite. Then after November, when my house got flooded and everything like poofed out, all my routine, all like the house literally flooded. How am I supposed to have a routine? We didn't have place to sleep. Now the house is being renovated. I stopped derma rolling my hair in the month of December. But the scariest thing that I faced whilst and after I derma rolled for at least 3 weeks is the massive shedding of hair. It was so scary to watch your hair just come out. I was like, am I having chemotherapy or some disease or some sort? You can see my hair density is only this much density right now. There's no hair on my scalp left, especially I don't have hair anymore on these sides, which is really concerning. My hair has never fallen so much. So why did micro needling my scalp give me that amount of hair fall? Apparently that's normal. That's very normal. So when you micro needle your scalp, all your dead hair should fall off immediately for your new hair to grow. Like tiny hair that's growing up on my scalp. So when I saw that, like my new baby hairs coming out, I was like, I should start using hair growth serums, and then in the month of February I'll start using derma rolling again. I only trust myself and nobody else except a person. And that was my little horror story about derma rolling. If you want to know how to derma roll your hair, comment down below. If you want me to share a tutorial on how to actually and safely derma roll your hair or micro needle your hair for new hair growth. It's very helpful if you have these bald patches, and no, applying hair growth serums alone will not give you hair growth or fill those bald spots. You must derma roll or consult a dermatologist. If you don't want to spend that money on dermatologist, this is the only solution that will help you. I got my hair cut this year in the month of December when I was like, with that hair fall, I'm not able to manage my long hair, so I got this length cut. And now I'm about to get it cut again, my shoulder length, so that my hair is not being pulled back in a ponytail. I don't leave my hair open. I love my hair tied. If you always tie your hair up or in a hairstyle that's pulling your hair like this, stop doing that. You're only causing balding. What I do is I loosely tie my hair in a low ponytail so that it's not being pulled like it should not be. Taking care of your hair will actually uplift your mood, your sense of like, I feel really pretty today. Subscribe and stay tuned because I'll be sharing the results after derma rolling my hair for 6 months, because it's only been 2-3 months that I've been derma rolling and I have been seeing these baby hairs growing. It's like very messy, but it's working is all I can say. And since my body lacks nutrition, I have been taking Dr. Soup. I do have biotin gummies. I'm not consistent in having them. Each time I see them kept, I just have one. It's not like I have every day. No, I don't have it every day. I have it like whenever I see them. All the products are linked below in the description. Please feel free to check them out and invest in them because they're really good. Otherwise, I have purchased iron tablets and calcium tablets from HK Vitals. I also have HK Vitals collagen powder, but I am not consuming it currently. I will be consuming it from the next month. The calcium and iron tablets as well, I'll be taking it from the next month. January is my trial month. I'm not gonna do anything that's gonna overwhelm me. I'm gonna take baby steps. Actually start my year from February. I really hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more and comment below any doubts you have, and I'll be happy to help you. Bye. Take care, okay? And hydrate your body, please.